Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to interact with Dolphin in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, and then in here the Call of Whales event, and then in this event you can interact with the new wild animal in this event, the dolphin. But first you just need to feed the dolphin, and then you can just drag the trophy over here at the animal menu, and then in here you can just drag the trophy over here. It's located in the Waterfall area at the Waterfall Canyon map over here. And then after you feed them, you can just interact with the dolphin. This one, just click on this icon interactions and then just tap on the interactions that you want. In here I just unlock the feed interactions like this, and then you can see it, you can get the animations like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.